Hi everyone. For our next database tutorial for Professor Absalom's class, we're going to take a look at a database called JSTOR. JSTOR will often have information on literary topics like the ones for your class assignment. We're going to start right on the library homepage again and move down to our research box to access our databases. We'll click on Learn More and then go right into our databases A to Z list. From there, we'll click on the letter J and go right into JSTOR and open it up. We can do an advanced search for the yellow wallpaper and change the search from keyword to title to see what we get. So we'll change the field to item title and try the yellow wallpaper. We get 35 results that look like they are directly about the yellow wallpaper, and all of these will be considered scholarly to fulfill the parameters of your assignment. Let's take a quick look at one of our results. We'll try Beyond the Yellow Wallpaper. And we can see that this is from a journal called Reproductive Health Matters, which is scholarly, and it's a little bit older, from 1997, so it might be a different take on the story. And again, we see our citation tool that includes MLA formatting, which you can use. You can copy and paste this right into your reference list, like we saw in Gale Literature. We also have our article link, which in JSTOR is called the remote access URL under item details. This will always take us right back to the web page that we're on right now. So if you're working on off campus, at home, at work, this is the link that you want to use to get right back to this article every time. We can try one more example, which will be A Rose for Emily. Do an advanced search again. Change the field to title. And see what we get. A quick title search gives us a bunch of interesting articles that could be useful for our assignments. You can see a couple of these. Let's take a look at Horror and Perverse Delight, Faulkner's A Rose for Emily. This is from a publication called Modern Fiction Studies, which is a peer-reviewed literary journal. We also have our citation tools and our remote access URL under item details. So remember, those tools will be available for every article that you see in JSTOR, and both of them are very useful. There wasn't as much in JSTOR for our other two stories, but there were some really interesting pieces on the yellow wallpaper and A Rose for Emily that we just saw right now. And remember, NCC librarians are here to help. Please feel free to connect with us in the following ways. Stop by the Research Help Desk at the Bethlehem or Pocono campus libraries. Schedule a book a librarian research consultation appointment, contact us via Ask the Librarian chat on the library homepage, or email us at askthelibrarian@northampton.edu. We would love to hear from you. Thank you, and have a nice day.